Hello, this is a common plumbing call that I get where you're not getting enough hot water. Typically what this issue is this device here. It's a thermostatic mixing valve and they are code to be installed. Now this water heater doesn't have one, however they are code now. And I don't know who installed this water heater here, but please don't use these things, they're garbage. I was just giving an example with that. Now this here is a thermostatic mixing valve, and what you can try and do if you are experiencing this problem, and this will only buy you some time and get you hot water back until you can get this device replaced. But if you're watching this and you just need hot water tonight, you can try this and it usually gets the device working again for maybe a week, something like that, but it buys you some time. So what you're first going to want to do is remove the cap. And it just has a set screw. And once you get that set screw out, you can adjust the device. Now don't let that paper fall off when you take the cap off, because it's going to tell you which way is hotter and which way is colder. You can see there. So what you're going to want to do is, if you put the cap all the way down and then pull it up slightly like that, you'll be able to open and close the valve. Now this one's really tight, probably a little bit of corrosion in there, so I'm going to have to actually put some muscle behind it, but you can put some channel locks or something. And you can see here I'm able to open and close the valve. So you're going to want to open it and close it a few times, and that'll help get the device working again. Now what this device does is it adds a little bit of cold water to the hot water, because you're going to want to store your water at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, but it can only come out of the taps at 120. So if you're going to replace this, make sure you get the same model number, and then you won't have to get into anything like soldering, or because they are all union nuts that connect them.